Okay, I'm ready to go a little bit more. Now, I'm going to put this up here to mark that, to drill it. So that's why I didn't put the ground screw in yet. That's why I didn't put the little clippy in here. I guess I could have put the ground screw in. That wouldn't have hurt anything, right? Okay. Get my felt tip pin out. Then I can put it right over the wire like that, see? And then I can kind of hold it up there and decide about where I want to drill those holes. And this one's right on the black spot. Let's see if I can. Oh, good. Okay, I can see it. Okay. Now I'm gonna drill those holes out. Before I get my drill bit, I'm just gonna put the scratch awl up here. Tap into it. Okay, like that. And you want the drill bit a little less than the bolt. And I thought 1/8 inch would work fine, but I'm going one less than 1/8 inch. I don't want to take any chances. So it's smaller. I don't know. I'm hitting the side of something. It might be one of those metal gussets that's nailed to the side, but I got it up there far enough. Okay, and so now I got my box. Let's see here. Get you down here. See if I can't put this. I could really put the screw in, the ground screw in later, couldn't I? I'm making sure it's not hitting any wood, because you see on the back side that screw is going to come up through the back. So just going to leave it like that, and the wire's coming down that way. So I'm going to put this in with this thing facing into the box, and it's fine because it's still going to be on the box, and it doesn't matter how high up it is. The wires are still going to come out of the top of it, but with the ceiling fan mounting bracket, there'll be plenty of room. Okay, and so I just kind of pinch that together a little bit, just enough. And sometimes this little ear kind of gets in the way, but see, there it is, just like that. Okay, and it fits in there like that. And I usually just take my screwdriver. This is just my crappy screwdriver, and just kind of push in it and kind of massage it a little bit, so when the wire goes in there, I'm going to be able to pull it through there fairly easy. Okay, so now I'm just going to leave you right here. I'm not going to zoom it in. You're just going to have to get the idea, you know. Some people will say, hey Joe, why don't you zoom it in higher? And, you know, I want you to see what I'm doing on the ladder. And that's why I got the 8-foot ladder. It gives me lots of support. If I was on a 6-foot ladder right now, I'd be on the second to the top rung. See, I just push it up here like that and figure out about where it's going to go. And I can still have a little bit of a slop. I don't have to pull it tight. And I just leave it like that. Get my mounting brackets here, my screws, and then I got my other drill, my impact drill, and it's going to go da, 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 da. And that's what I want. It's not that the screw is stripping the head or anything. Okay. Let's see where my hole is. Oh, there it is. Okay. See, it's gonna ratchet up that way, but I'm just gonna hold it up there so I can get this other screw started. Come on, where is it? Oh, there it is. And it's just going to go, and away I go. Oh, would you look at that? I've had this drill bit for a long time and it snapped. It broke the tip off. That's okay, I got another one. I've got another one. And I'll get it to make sure both of these are snug. Okay? And I've got a little bit of a gap around here. I could put some white caulking in there. I don't really have to do anything if I didn't want, but I'll probably put some white caulking up there because the whole housing piece is going to fit over that. And my mounting bracket on here, it's on a slide, so I can slide it all the way over to the right a little bit, and that'll actually cover most of this hole. Even if I were to center the mounting bracket of the ceiling fan per se, it will be fine. No matter what I do, the whole housing trim will cover all that up. So I should have made that box hole a little bit smaller, but it was kind of tricky to get my pencil up there. I could have kind of cut on the inside of the line, let's say, and then if it didn't fit, I could have shaved off the drywall a little bit easier, but it'll be fine. I think I have some white caulking in the garage anyways. Okay, so that's about it, other than I've got to get a new tip, and I've got one, and these tips, it's on a magnetic holder. Okay, and you take this, you lift up on that, and you just pull it out. See, it's different than the other drills. See, you can't tighten up the chuck or whatever, and you put that in. That's a magnetic tip holder, and then the end I'm going to have to pull out. It's kind of wedged in there. I got to do that with a pair of pliers, I guess, just because of the torque, and this thing's been in there for years. Okay, see, it just comes out. It's a little, it's just a little tip, and that fits in the magnetic tip holder. You see what I mean? So I've got more of these. I'll get that and tighten that box up. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.